Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the absolute strength histogram V2 indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the absolute strength histogram V2 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 858 indicators, with 356 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 54 of the winning indicators. 20 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the absolute strength histogram V2 indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. In the original testing, it did 32 trades within the 1 year's time and was able to achieve a 64% win rate. Since it was able to do over 10 trades within the 1 year's time, we did keep this on the daily time frame, and so the take profit and the stop are the standard kind of default take profit and stop that we use for the daily. The indicator itself, we did make a few modifications to it, and so if I go back here and I reset, this is kind of how it looks in its default form. So what I did was went in and I turned all these color 0, color 1, color 2, and color 3 to 100%, and I switched it from histogram to columns. Looks like this right here. That's really the only change that we made, and so it's similar to the change that we made in the original testing. And so the way we tested this in the original video was, first and foremost, we looked for the position of the lines here. So when the red orange line was above the green line here, we are looking for short trade opportunities. When the green line is above the orange red line, we are looking for long trade opportunities. Then the next thing that we looked for was the coloration in the bars. It didn't matter what color, apparently. We didn't go for specifically red or orange. What we looked for was the break. So you can see here the break where we get a few of these gray bars, and then we pick it up with a red bar right here. And so the red orange line is above the green line, and we picked up the red orange bar right there. Well, technically a red bar, but that would be a signal to then go short at that point. And you can see that this would have gotten a really nice push to the downside there. That would have gotten us to our take profit right there. Then we move forward a little bit here. We get the green line on top of the orange red line there, and we get a green bar. Again, it doesn't matter what color green, just a green bar. Break from that gray bar there into a green bar would have given us a long signal right there. And again, we got a push to the upside. Not as good as this one, but enough to get us to our take profit. Then moving forward here, pick up another short right there as we have the red orange line there above the green, and we pick up a red bar right there. Looks like we might have just barely squeezed out take profit. Not quite on that one. Didn't quite get to our take profit on that one. Let me double check this one. Pretty sure, yeah, that was over the 90. And then one last one here. We picked up a long signal right there. Same deal. Nice push to the upside there, 133 pips. We had the green line over the orange red, and we picked up a green bar. So again, that's how we tested it in the original testing. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing. Then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in that advanced test. All right, so this is going to put us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in most of the conversations here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons, where we're posting some really great advanced information. For example, Sasquatch here is one of our members. He is an awesome Forex prop trader, and he's putting up charts like this on a regular basis. You can see just a series of charts where he has done market analysis, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, patterns, and things that you should be looking out for. Really teaching everybody how to do analysis as far as candlestick and different pattern analysis. Really, really great stuff there. Our newest admin, Mike from Upright Trading, he has unfortunately gotten a little ill here lately, so he hasn't been as active over the last week or so, but really great guy, really helping everybody out with indicators. He's got quite a few indicators that he has developed himself, and some are paid, some are free, but he really goes out of the way to make sure that people understand how to use them, and develop strategies that he will post videos on and guide people the best way to use his indicators. Very, very knowledgeable, awesome guy. Really great to have him around. And then just in general, the rest of the members are posting different trades that they're taking, information that they find useful or helpful for other traders, general conversation. Sometimes they'll post some of their trade results of small accounts or challenges that they're taking. Just all in all, it's a wonderful environment where everybody's helping everybody out, everybody's supporting everybody, and helping everybody grow as traders. So I highly recommend that you join us. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our advanced test here. Didn't mean to move that. Let's just reverse that back there. All right, so we did the 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 33 winning trades. We got 17 losing trades, giving us a 66% win rate. So another one of those cases, kind of rare cases, where we actually achieved a better win rate on the advanced testing than we did on the original testing. And so maybe had something to do with this particular pair versus the pair that we tested it on last time. But nonetheless, it was able to maintain the winning status, as you can see, and did a pretty decent job of getting us in trades at a relatively decent time. All in all, a pretty solid indicator. Definitely something to play around with. This one is going to stay on our yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.